Number 6. The solutions to 3 over the absolute value of x minus 2 less than the absolute value of x are A, B, C, or D. Now we can simplify this by multiplying both sides by the absolute value of x minus 2, because the absolute value of x minus 2 is positive and that will not affect the inequality sign. It's quite a useful thing to remember. Okay, so now we'll just write that down. That 3 is less than the absolute value of x times absolute value of x minus 2. And what we can do, we can combine those together under one absolute value sign. Write this x minus 2. Now I'm going to draw the graph of y equals x minus 2 times x, which is a parabola going through 0 and 2 this way. I'll just do that. Now when you put an absolute value sign around it, this negative part becomes positive. We need to find out what that value there is. So when x equals 1, that'll give you this minimum value down here. And so this will become y equals, now that's going to be minus 1 times 1, which is negative 1. But that'll be a positive 1 here. So that's the point 1, 1. Now if we draw the line y equals 3 going through here, okay, we need to find the points of intersection of that. Now to do that, we'll just solve simultaneously and we'll get x minus 2 equals 3. So x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And we'll factorize that. And we'll get x minus 3 x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore x equals negative 1 or x equals 3. And that would be, this point here is 3. And this point here be, the x value is minus 1. Now we're saying that this has got to be greater than 3. So that'll be greater than 3 for all values of x which are bigger than 3 or less than minus 1. So the solution is x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 3, which of course is D.